Every one of us hates to say no. When somebody has something particular they need to do, very often it's easy to say, no, that's too difficult, we won't touch it. We like to be the go-to company. We like to be the ones who are able to find a solution. We don't fear any packaging challenge.
We really started looking into being more than a stretch wrapper manufacturer, and that's what brought us here. We started thinking about, what do our customer really needs? How are they operating? What are they going to do with the product finally? What does it have to withstand? When gathering this information and working with the end user, we really developed more a solution. So not being only a stretch wrapper manufacturer, but becoming some kind of consultant for our customers to really give them a better solution.
Wulftec is one of the leading companies in stretch wrapping and strapping machinery manufacturing in North America. We cater the North American market primarily, but we also deliver products to the rest of the world. We make mainly stretch wrapping machinery, strapping machinery in the automatic configuration and in the semi-automatic configuration. Because of the offering we have, starting from the entry semi-automatic machine to the full-blown automatic machine, we will cater startups who are packaging 1 pallet per day, all the way up to the big blue chip companies who are pumping out 100 pallets an hour. So we do the full range.
The customer is what is really driving this business. When they hear the Wulftec brand, they know that the machine is well built, it's robust, it's going to last for years, it's going to be trouble-free, that it's the piece of equipment in their line that they will not have to worry about. We are customizing our equipment to fit the customer need, and we don't ask the customer to really adapt to the equipment. So I think that's where we're completely different. We will come up with a solution, a new design, a new option, a new feature that will just facilitate everything for the end user, so he does not have to change his operation.
We're here for a factory acceptance test with one of our customers. The idea is to have the customer see the machine in the plant, make sure it performs as they want to, and once they approve it, the machine is scheduled to be shipped out of here. I've known the Wulftec team for 25 or 30 years, and they're very customer-oriented. Machines are built like a tank, they hold up, and that's the biggest thing that we like about the Wulftec machines. It's just their quality and the dependability, reliability is major.
We always try to place this company in a win-win situation, where it's win for the customer and it's win for Wulftec. The customer that buys your product, he's buying it for a solution to keep his costs down, to be more efficient. We keep on making machines that answers customers' needs, meaning saving for them, meaning payback for them, meaning higher throughput.
All of our old pallet process, we would have vendors send us pictures back, and they were catastrophic, some of them. Our product would get to them, pallets have fallen apart. You can see where the wrap wasn't pre-stretching, it wasn't wrapping to the pallet. When we put the scale and the tree in place, that fixed all those issues. So the Wulftec equipment, when it gets to our customers, it looks exactly the same as it left our building. So it's measuring the height of this pallet with these photo sensors, and it's measuring how much that pallet weighs. So the machine, before this pallet enters it, it knows how I'm going to wrap this pallet, and it's going to wrap this one differently from that one, differently from that one. When you think about the amount of pallets we run through these machines, we spend a lot of money on stretch equipment. These machines have saved us hundreds of thousands of dollars since we put them in place.
The fact that we get so many repeat customers is a testimonial that we do it right. We have customers that bought their first machine 20 years ago and they still buy machines from us. So we grow with our customer because we have the entire product line to offer. So if you look at the building, you see it's a series of expansions. The last official additions we've done was last year. We had it several square feet and we revamped our offices, but now we're really running out of room onto the production floor. So now we are expanding again 25,000 square feet for fully automatic production and semi-automatic production, and this is going to be ready early next year.
This company can keep on growing. If we keep on doing what we're doing, I don't see it stopping.
We come to work, we care about each other, and this makes a lot of our success, and it shows.
The biggest asset at Wulftec, when you look at the balance sheet, is their people. Everyone in this company makes a difference. Everyone. People come to work at Wulftec because they feel they're part of the success.
When we sit back and look where we're at versus where we started, it's really a great accomplishment to really be able to make this brand reputable in the market and have people know your equipment. We're really proud of this. We know there is a need. We know that other customers can benefit from our technology and from our product, and we're just anxious to get it there.